Hello and welcome to I-Techie, the place you get your fix for all things technology. Today we take you on a trip of pure caffeinated indulgence with the Royal Professional Coffee Maker by Seiko. And we take a look at how the omnipresence of the internet in the lives of today's youths may shape our future. All that and more coming up right now.
Art can be boiled down into so many different subsets. Literature, music, film, sculpture, paintings, coffee. Yes, coffee. Coffee is consumed more than just about any other beverage in the world. And the choices that you have are almost limitless.
Flavored, regular, Americano, single origin, Arabica or Colombian beans. Hot, iced, latte, cappuccino or espresso. There are so many different ways that you can prepare
the perfect cup of coffee. However, actually making the coffee is an art not many people are aware of. For those of us who have an eye for the finer things, coffee can be a luscious harmony of foam, smooth richness and depth, an orchestra of the visual, olfactory and the delectable. The fact of the matter is that not everybody is a connoisseur when it comes to the brewed bean. Choosing the right blend of coffee is one thing, but the process of making it is what sets a terrific cup of coffee apart from the rest. Technology, as it usually does, has solved yet another of life's problems. Italian company Seiko's super automatic Royal Professional Espresso machine brings the coffee house to your home or workplace. This top-of-the-line machine is Seiko's most impressive offering and enables the user to program a number of its available features. We'll admit, it's a little heavy for a consumer product, but we figured that coffee is all about the indulgence. Whether it's a midnight dark espresso or a frivolously frothy cappuccino, this machine is all about intensity and perfection. Not only is its brewing mechanism and end result fit for a king, but its grandiose name also comes from its capacity. It can churn out 50 to 100 cups a day without any whining. Program coffee strength and ounces to be brewed per cup, switch between espresso and coffee options instantly, and change coffee temperature. Whole beans are perfectly ground with the built-in conical burr grinder with automatic shutoff. This is, however, also programmable.
The coarser the beans grind, the more the coffee will be under-extracted and therefore weak in taste.
Usually, coffee drinkers prefer a blend between these two extremes, but the Royal Professional lets you find your own mixture. A great tool for some novices who really want to get to know their coffee. A stunning feature of the Royal Professional model is the fully automated milk frothing system that will have you serving perfect foam for cappuccino and frothy lattes in seconds. As an additional feature to the standard built-in steam wand, the auto frother makes dense foam at the press of a button. A perfect attention-seeking ploy to get people to your place.
Yummy. I normally make my espresso on those, those twist machines. So compared to that, this makes a much smoother espresso. The froth is really nice. If I had to wake up every morning and see this first thing, I think it'd really make my day.
The bond temp heating surface will make sure that your espresso or cappuccino cups are always warm and ready to go whenever you need them.
It looks amazing with the foam and everything. Very strong flavor.
The bypass doser is for any coffee that is already grinded, which is definitely a handy feature since sometimes even the most finicky coffee drinker does buy pre-ground coffee.
After brewing, the used coffee powder is automatically ejected into an internal dump container that is pretty easy to get rid of.
very strong, I think, and people who like to have strong flavors in coffee, I think it's for them. I think it's good, better than the normal coffee available, outside.
The Seiko Royal Professional Espresso machine is also very durable.
Of course, like any other delicate machinery, it does need periodical servicing and may require replacing of certain parts due to normal wear and tear.
I'd definitely love to have this machine for myself. Probably if I got some corporate structure behind me funding for it, definitely I'll.
Just press the button and the Seiko Royal Professional will automatically grind your coffee beans and dispense freshly brewed, rich and flavorful coffee into your cup. This product is available at Coffees Etc. in Zamzama and is priced at Rs 140,000. Quite pricey, but you get what you paid for.
Experimental product design can be a very exciting field. Good product design involves innovation and functionality, as well as spine-tinglingly beautiful aesthetics. Now, while this next mechanism certainly has a distinct, elegant poise, a certain delicacy of instrument, its end result takes the meaning of minimalist a little too seriously. In short, the vase clock by one Georgios Meridakis is designed to tap any vase you choose to place on it as an indication of the hour. The idea is that eventually the tapping will shatter your precious piece of pottery so that when you replace it, you can get a different sound when the clock chimes on a new surface. Talk about a waste of vases.